In this video, I'm going to be showing all of you how to look at other successful sellers on Amazon and possibly take some of their product ideas. It might sound a little weird at first, but trust me, when I show you, it's going to make a lot of sense. And this could be another good way to find a lot of good potential products to sell. So let's get right on to Amazon. Okay guys, here we are on Amazon. And I have a few products in mind that I'm just going to look up, and I've looked them up in the past. So one of them is going to be a rolling knife. And I was looking into selling this, but it turned out not being the best. But it just came to my mind. So this is what it looks like. They all look the same. We used a good key term. So we're going to open the Chrome extension. And we are going to look at one of the more successful listings. So this one's making $7,800. That's good enough for me. That's pretty successful. So it is by My Kitchen. So we're going to scroll down, and it's going to be the double pack. We're not going to look at sponsored, and sponsored does not show up on the Chrome extension. So forget about those. And here it is. So it's going to be the double pack. That's what we clicked on. This listing is making $7,800 a month. So this is pretty successful. Okay, now the way we're going to look into this and look at possibly copying their products is we're going to go to their store page. So this is the guy's store. Every person's going to have a different name, and we know he's successful. We know his listing is very good. We can look, the pictures are zoomable. That's good. He has multiple pictures showing the product in use, giving descriptions. Basically, very good listing, very good bullet points and everything. We're going to be going over this way later in the course, how to make a good listing. But basically, this is a good title, good bullet points, good pictures. So this is a good listing. This guy knows what he's doing, and he's making a lot of money on this product. So he probably knows how to sell and how to look for good products. So we're going to go to his page and see what he's selling. So here's what we were just on, and he's making a lot of money on. Baking mat. I don't know about that. That looks like a little bit much. Salad cutter bowl. So he doesn't have that many reviews on this, but this could be a good item to look up. Salad cutter bowl. Melon cutter, that could be good. Looks like he has another salad cutter. This one looks like it's doing pretty well too. More rolling knives and a salt and pepper grinder. So let's check out this. I've never heard of this before. So melon cutter. Okay, so we're going to go onto Amazon, and we're going to type in melon cutter. Okay, so these look about the same as what he was selling. Oh, here's his listing right here. So he's pretty high up on this one too. Now let's run the Chrome extension and see if this could be a good product to sell. Okay, so right away I could tell you that there are not a lot of sales for this. And the reviews are kind of a little high too. So this could be seasonal, or it could just not be a very good item with low demand. So this is not a very good item to sell just by looking at the first 12 listings. Like always, it does not look that good. But the point of this is to copy other people that know what they're doing, because they're probably good at finding products. And if they found one good one, then the possibility of them having another good one is probably high, and we can use that to our advantage. So you can go back onto that guy's listing, and you can check out the salad cutter bowl or the salt and pepper shaker, and run those with the Chrome extension, see how those are doing. I'm going to check something else. Another thing I was looking at a few months ago were sculpting tools for like clay and stuff like that. I was looking into this item a few months ago. So let's run the Chrome extension. I ended up not doing it because I remember it wasn't that great, because you can see here the reviews are very high. So very good sales. We're going to look at this. Automatically, I would tell you this is not a very good item, but we're not caring about this item because I already know it's not very good. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Chrome extension. We're going to find the guy who's doing very well on this. So this guy's making $11,000. So he's doing very well. His thing starts with an SE, and his brand's SE. So we're going to go find his listing, excluding the sponsored ones like always. So here it is. It says buy SE. and we're going to click on his listing. He's doing very well. He's making $11,000 a month. So this guy knows what he's doing. His pictures are zoomable, pretty good. Honestly, his pictures aren't that great, but they're all right. Actually, this is a pretty bad listing. His bullet points aren't very good. His title isn't very good either. But he has good reviews and he's making a lot of money, so it's kind of worth looking into. So we're going to click on his store page right here. It's SE. And this is going to show you everything that he's selling. So he was successful on that first product, so what we're trying to do is see if he's successful on other ones, and we can copy him. So right here, this looks like it is a LED headlight or headlamp, something like that. So we can go ahead and check this item out, and this kind of shows you how it opens your mind up to things that you wouldn't think about without using this method, because I would have never thought about looking up an LED headlamp. I would have also never thought about looking up a melon cutter. Just things that you just can't imagine. So you could see how this gives you good ideas. So we're going to go ahead and type in LED headlamp. Okay, so these look good. They all look the same. All right, so we're going to go up, run the Chrome extension, see how it is. Oh, wow. So reviews are way too high already. And sales are very good though, but we just cannot compete with these reviews. So automatically we're going to say no to this product, even though the sales are very good. The reviews are too much, meaning it's too competitive for us to compete in. So go ahead and exit. And that is basically the whole gist of it. You basically look at people who are selling well on a certain product, go to their homepage, their store page, and look through their products, and it will give you ideas of things to type in and run the Chrome extension on that could possibly be a good item for you to sell. And you would be surprised because you could probably find a lot of good items doing this. So that's basically how you do this. That's the whole concept. Another tool to add to your belt. That's going to be the whole concept of the course, is giving you guys a ton of tools so you guys can find products easier and have the edge over every other person watching any other course or any other seller. So that's the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.